I'm gonna be Hakunji someday. I protect everyone. Believe it.
Cool. Do you have a savings account?
Oh, what?
Savings account. Money you put away that grows over time.
I don't really have money.
You've been doing S-rank missions since you were 12.
I spend it on ramen.
Compound interest. You put money away. It earns returns. Those returns earn returns. It accelerates. The earlier you start, the more your money does without you touching it.
Huh?
Like shadow clones?
Exactly like shadow clones. Each clone is working. Each return generates another return. By the time you're 30, the clones you sent out at 17 have already done most of the work.
So I should have started when I was younger.
Everyone should have started when they were younger. Most people figure this out at 35.
My parents never taught me this. I was born with a demon seal in me, and no savings account.
Naruto, I heard you.
Dad?
He's right, Naruto. I should have left you more than a seal.
Dad.
Is it too late for him to start?
Starting at 17 with $50 a month beats starting at 30 with $200 a month. Significantly.
The Fourth Hokage did not have an index fund.
No, you did not.
What is an index fund?